Hey guys, Ryan here at Signature Edits. I just wanted to give you a really quick sneak preview into our engagement guidebook for couples. So this is the perfect companion guidebook. If you have our Ultimate Photographer Pricing Welcome Studio Guide, well, this is going to match up perfectly. So you can see here's the guide as I have just customized it myself really quickly for you. And then if we head over to the engagement guidebook, you'll see that the styling matches perfectly, which is really great. Helps you build that consistent brand. So what's inside of it, I'm just going to flip through and show you exactly what you can expect when you get the guide. We've got lots of image holders as well as a testimonial slot, different info you need, what to wear for her, what to wear for him, all that good stuff. And we can edit it super easily because every single portion of this is fully customizable. So you can see we've got our 12 pages in here, plus 2 different cover options depending on your image. So this is a bright image, so I went with my light cover option, but you could also put the image in the dark cover option if you have a darker image and white text would show up better. And then to insert images, it's really as simple as just going down here where it says double click to insert image, double click, and I would just go over to Finder, I'd grab an image, drag that in there, resize it. Perfect, save. And you'll see that image has been inserted now into our guidebook. Now obviously this would probably look better in the dark option because it's a darker image. So I could grab that and I could move it over so you can see what that might look like. Something like that, right? And so we go through and we can edit and customize everything we want. If you want to change the colors here, it's really as simple as just double click and we can select a color. Let's say that I have a thing for forest green. So I can make it a nice green like that, go through and just grab everywhere that I need to. I can change the color. Edit the text, super simple. Change this underline color, whatever you want. The sky is the absolute limit, and it's super quick, super easy, and the best part is it comes with text pre-written, so you don't have to wonder what should I say, what kind of info should I provide. This gives you a great starting point and can save you a ton of time. It's good to go as is, or you can customize it to fit your studio perfectly. So from start to finish, if you've got your images ready, you can go ahead and finish this template in probably under 15-20 minutes, and it really just helps build your brand and build that client experience that much more. Now, if you are wondering how to use Photoshop, if you're kind of confused, you don't know it very well, this template does come with a step-by-step video tutorial for free. Goes through everything, how to insert images, how to edit text, how to export to a PDF, everything you need to know to make this template perfectly. Okay, so that is this engagement guidebook template. I hope this was helpful. If you still have questions, feel free to reach out to us, and I wish you the best of luck in your business.